From the mesmerizing Bahamas to Bora Bora, every year, millions of people travel to these top beaches to throw all their worries away. But here's an important fact. Did you know that before the Polynesian settlers inhabited Bora Bora in the 3rd century, these famous locations did not even exist? So what happened? How did they come about? Well, it's all because of a natural process called deposition, and we're going to learn about that today. So, what is deposition? Deposition is a natural process in which sediments, soil, rocks, and other materials are mixed together to create a landmass. But in order to create a landmass, these materials are first transported to a location by natural forces like wind, water, gravity, etc. And once these materials reach their final destination through these natural forces, then it automatically creates a landmass. So, to understand deposition more clearly, let's look at some of the types of deposition. The first type is beaches. Beaches are a result of deposition. So, when you look at a beach closely, you would notice pebbles, shingle, and of course sand. All these things together form a landmass, which we often call a beach. But the actual question is, how all these things are created? Well, the truth is this. You see, every day, wind and the ocean waves push millions of things in a certain direction. Those things are like sand and rocks, and over a period of time, they reach an endpoint such as the coastal area of a city. And the waves and the wind are unable to push them any further, and at that point, it creates a beach. In simpler terms, the sand and rocks are dropped off at a specific location after they have been transported by the wind or the ocean or other natural forces of nature. Now, we're just looking at one side of the picture, and that is coming from the oceans. But if you look at the mountain regions, beaches are formed when sediments are transported down a mountain near the coast by a river or stream, helping to create a landmass over a period of time. Very interesting. Now, let's look at a sand dune. So a sand dune is an accumulation of sand grains through wind and gravity that results in a shape of a mini mountain. For example, there are endless videos on YouTube about people enjoying a desert safari in Dubai. But if you look closer, these sand mountains are caused by deposition. Now, one of the major players behind its formation is the direction of the wind in the desert. Look, you see in the Dubai desert, the average wind speed is around 14 kilometers per hour. So when the wind speed hits a particular sand barrier for a certain period of time, it automatically turns into a sand dune. Check it out. Now, the other type of deposition are glacier deposits. Now, glacier deposits are glacial landforms that are created from a glacier moving down a mountain and carrying the rocks with it. As it gets to the bottom of the mountain, the glacier melts away and the rocks that it was carrying down the mountain are left behind, creating a landform. Well, as usual, like, subscribe, and share the video. That's it for today. I'm out.